gotta go create. Like, I can't do this. Like, I can't live in fear. I can't do this thing. Like, I can't be thinking like everybody hates me. Like, that is hard for me to believe that. I'm RJ. Like, how could you hate me?
When the lockdown happened, my first thought was, I'm gonna get it. I got a job at Home Depot. Like the week of, I'm like, I'm not shutting down.
Mm-hmm.
My business might shut down, but I ain't got time to shut down.
Yeah.
And so I worked there for months. You know, the mask on, I was doing customer service, and then it was weird. Literally, I woke up one morning. Again, it was one of those like, oh, I wonder if there's any welding jobs. And I'm like half asleep looking for welding jobs. First thing in the morning, like out of with my one eye open, I'm like half asleep looking on Facebook, and I found this job, and I applied, and I got a job as a welder, doing like table bottoms. Like, I mean, so like I turned a hobby, 7-year hobby, into an actual job for 6 months, welding like these. They make these beautiful tables out of wood, like slabs, and I'd make the bottoms, metal bottoms. So, it was one of those like.
Yeah, it's like I feel like it's all about applying yourself, putting your best foot forward, and going out there and just making it happen, and not making any excuses. It's just basically what the podcast says: choose to create. Go out there and just create something. Like, why wait?
It's not. I'm going to disagree with you a little bit. Yes, but there's also that part of it, like you have to like follow your gut. Like that's like really important. Like you have a sense, like, dude, I got to do this, right? And it's something something gets a hold of you, this idea, and you just gotta. You know what I mean?